Number 2 is Brother HL-L6200DW. Do you want to avoid dealing with slow and unreliable printers in your home office? Look no further than the Brother HL-L6200DW, the best printer for your home office needs. As the #1 retail brand in laser printer unit sales in the U.S., Brother is known for producing high-quality printers. The HL-L6200DW is no exception. With its fast printing speeds of up to 48 pages per minute and excellent graphics and text quality, this monochrome laser printer is perfect for both home and office use. One of the amazing features of this printer is its flexible paper handling capability. It offers dual adjustable 520 sheet capacity paper trays, a 50 sheet capacity multi-purpose tray, and the option to add 520 sheet capacity or 250 sheet capacity paper trays for a total input capacity of up to 1,610 sheets. The Brother HL-L6200DW also offers versatile connectivity options, including built-in wireless 802.11b divided by G divided by N and Gigabit Ethernet network interfaces, as well as USB 2.0 connectivity. This makes sharing the printer with multiple users on your network easy. This printer also makes mobile device printing easy, thanks to its compatibility with AirPrint, Google Cloud Print 2.0, Mopria, Brother iPrint&Scan, Cortado Workplace, and Wi-Fi Direct. Lastly, the HL-L6200DW offers triple-layer security features to help safeguard sensitive documents and ensure secure connectivity to the device and your network. So if you find this printer worthy, then check out the link in the description box to buy it.